Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Wi-Fi problem on Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. Then from here you can scroll down to on the down you are going to find the system option. So you just keep scrolling to system. So here is the system. So click on system. After you have been click on system here, you are going to find this feature. From here you have to move on to reset phone. So just click on the reset phone. After that, here is the again you have to click on the reset Wi-Fi setting. Okay, the first option. Then here you have to click on the reset setting. When you click on the reset setting, the problem of Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, no, it will be fixed. Okay, in the 3 seconds, you just click on reset setting. It will be at least in 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Okay, it will be fixed. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.